Now the file import method is actually really simple. We're just going to hit file and then we're going to import. But the good news is that we can import a whole bunch of different stuff. We can import audio, MIDI, video, clip groups which can be helpful, or complete session data. So if we want to just pick up some audio, and again we go back to that folder on the desktop, this is a real safe way to doing it this way, because if we go and select it, it gives us an option down here to copy, making sure that we copy everything to the session. Now, because we selected the copy all importing items into the session, even if we just hit add, it's going to copy anyway. But normally, just to be safe, we're just selecting them, hitting copy all, and then we're going to bring them in. We can also demo them from here. At this point, we could push play and take a listen and see if there's anything notable. Make sure they're the right clips, and then move on. Once we open, though, it's going to give us put us through a few quick steps. One is making sure it gets copied to the folder. Great. You see it processing. That's a good sign, because that means it's getting copied to the folder. And then where's it going to go? Is it going to go to the clip list on the right, or actually onto a new track? Let's do new track, because it'll start where it should. And then it's going to start at the session start. So we could just have it do that. It asks to stamp the files because it needs a new unique identifier. And I'm just going to I'm going to hold Option and click OK to make sure it does it to everybody. And then if we double click on the zoomer tool, we go up, we'll just see that they pretty much look the way they do in drag and drop, except the benefit here is we get to audition it through the file menu, and we make sure that it copies through that part of the process.